Okay, so this is our third example of integrating action status with command button. This one is similar to example number 2 in that we're going to be using a copy of each command button but disabling it. Only with this approach, instead of having the group of 3 buttons disabled and enabled as a whole, we're going to be disabling them individually. So in order to accomplish that, what we've done is we've created 3 different blocks of action statuses. So we have one block for each button. And then within each action status, our start section contains the disabled version and our stop section contains the live version. Now, one of the things that you should notice here is that we've had to update our IDs because we have 3 different action statuses. We need 3 different IDs. So the command button in the first status maps to the appropriate ID. The second maps to the second, and the third maps to the third. That allows Salesforce to understand which particular group needs to be disabled based on which button you push. So that's our code. Let's go look at the example page. So this is the example page for number 3. And now when I click one of these buttons, if you recall from example 2, the entire block of buttons, so all 3 of them disabled at once. In this example, it's only actually going to turn off one button at a time. So we can see that. So watch the save button and notice how only the save button becomes disabled. So every time I click one of these buttons, only the button that gets clicked is the one that becomes disabled for the duration of that AJAX request. And that is example number 3.